Days after Mkhwananzi made the allegations against senior political and police leaders, Ramaphosa took South Africans into his confidence. The president announced his decision to establish a judicial commission of inquiry.
To address these allegations and the implications of these allegations, I'm establishing a judicial commission of inquiry that will be chaired by Acting Deputy Chief Justice Mbuyisile Madlanga. Justice Madlanga will be assisted by Advocate Sesi Baloyi, Senior Counsel, and Advocate Sandile Khumalo, Senior Counsel.
The commission is tasked with investigating allegations relating to the infiltration of various state institutes by criminal syndicates.
The commission will investigate the role of current or former senior officials in certain institutions who may have aided or abetted the alleged criminal activity or failed to act on credible intelligence or internal warnings or benefited financially or politically from a syndicate's operations.
The commission will further make recommendations on whether officials should be suspended pending the outcome of its investigation.
The commission will have the power to refer matters for immediate investigation and urgent decisions on prosecution, taking into account the nature of the allegations and the evidence the commission will uncover.
The president has furthermore decided to place Mkhunu on a leave of absence.
In order for the commission to execute its functions effectively, I have decided to put the Minister of Police, Mr. Senzo Mkhunu, on leave of absence with immediate effect. The Minister has undertaken to give his full cooperation to the Commission to enable it to work properly. I have decided to appoint Professor Reevuuz Kachalia as Acting Minister of Police.
Ramaphosa has set deadlines of 3 and 6 months for interim reports to be submitted by the Commission, with the final report to be sent to the President, Speaker of the National Assembly and the Chief Justice. Zara